welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this look that I did. And I know it looks super boring. This is just my tips and tricks and how I do my makeup when my skin is not that great at the moment. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my tips and trick, how I do my makeup when I want to wear makeup but my skin is not really feeling it, so that's what I'm going to show you. Anyways, if you want to watch that, please keep on watching. And also, at the moment, I'm a little bit sick, so I apologize in advance that I'm a little bit low in this video, and yeah, that's about it. I just love being sick. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to use this palette. It has a lot of nude and brown colors, and that is what I'm going for today. I just feel like it's going to look better if I have like a natural base and just nude colors or nude brown colors on my eyelids and not like a colorful eye makeup look. So I'm going to use this light brown color and put it on my eyelids. So now when I'm done with the eyes, I wanted a very natural brown looking theme going on there on my eyelids. I'm going to start off with a base, and when I have like this pretty bad skin, I'm not really into like very thick foundations and coverage and all that stuff, so I'm going for a very natural looking base so that my skin doesn't become worse than it already is. But I'm going to start with this Revolution Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray as just my primer. I don't really have a good primer right now, so I'm going to use this before I apply some makeup. And I'm just spraying it on so that the base makeup lasts a little bit longer and applies better and smoother. And going in for foundation, I'm going to use this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Pure Brightening Serum Foundation. Whoa, that was a long word. As I said, I'm not really into like thick foundations when I have bad skin or a lot of coverage so that my skin gets worse. And this is great if you think like I do right now, because this is a serum and it's supposed to make your skin look better and feel better even when you take your makeup off, so that your skin looks better without makeup as well. And I'm going to use this, but it's very thin, so I'm actually going to mix it just a little bit with this L'Oreal Invisible Foundation, all-time favorite. And because I want a more of a natural looking base, I'm actually going to use a brush. This is from Real Techniques instead of a beauty blender, and I'm dabbing it with a setting spray. Oh, got it on my camera. And now I'm just going to use my beauty blender to damp the foundation into my skin so it doesn't look as cakey or like a thick layer. I don't think it looks like that, just because I took a little amount of the foundation, but just be on the safe side. For concealer, I'm going to use this Jouer concealer as always, and as I said, I don't like too much coverage when I have bad skin, and applying makeup. So I'm just going to use a little bit under my eyes, a little bit on my nose, not a lot at all. And a little bit around my mouth. This is just to get a little bit of a coverage. And now I'm just going to set this concealer and my foundation and everything else with this powder from RSMA something. I'm just going to take a small amount of the Beauty Blender and kind of press it into my skin so it looks more natural looking and not, you know, the whole bake thing going on. So I actually forgot that I have a new powder that I wanted to try out, and I'm just going to do it because why not? I've already set my face, but why not? Oh, okay. It's a little bit dark for me, so I'm not gonna take all of this on my face. Whoopsie doopsie. I just wanted to try it out because I just bought it. It's like perfect because this is powder with a little bit of a color. Okay, it's 4 shades darker than me, but it gives a little bit of a nice coverage, which I don't mind since having a little bit foundation. Using this as a blush, as always, just to put on my cheeks. And then for all the pimples that I got, since I have bad skin at the moment, or not bad skin, but for me a lot of pimples, but it's not really a lot. You get what I'm saying. I'm going to cover up these pimples with this like a gel brownish color that I use as my eyebrows gel thing going on. I'm so bad explaining. Guys, I'm going to cover up my pimples with a eyebrow gel from ELF using the back of a what used to be an eyebrow pen, but it's empty right now, and I'm going to just turn them into molds. And this is why I love having pimples sometimes, because just turning them into molds, like, it's a good tip. So for highlight, I'm actually going to use this strobing liquid highlight. So I'm just taking a little bit and a small kind of flushy and just applying it on my face where I want to highlight. Now I'm gonna set my face with this setting spray from Revolution. And this is not really my favorite, it's just because it smells kind of bad, but it's a oil control fixing spray and I get very oily around my T-zone, so to prevent that shit, I'm going to use this mascara from Maybelline New York. I don't really think I'm going to apply some lashes, so I'm just going to apply some mascara. Now when I'm done with my base and also my eyeshadow and everything, I'm actually going to be trying out this lip plumper just for fun. It's their Filler Instinct. Oh, it's from NYX Professional Makeup. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's try it. Okay, so it actually starting to burn right now. It's not very tingling feeling, it just burns. Oh my god. I just applied some Vaseline. I don't know if that's bad before lip plumper, but it actually starting to hurt a little bit. Okay, so while the lip plumper is burning on my lips, I'm going to use this lip liner. Okay, so I'm done with the lips. I don't know if the lip plumper really did anything. All I felt was like a burning feeling. Not really of a like sting, just burned. It just burned. Okay, I'm not gonna over exaggerate, but it kind of burned. I don't know, I don't see a difference, so it probably sucked. But now I tried it. I took like a lip liner. I don't know. It felt enough for this natural makeup look that I do when I have not bad skin. I don't want to say too much, but when my skin is not the best and I don't want to apply so much makeup onto my skin and make it worse, I want to make it better, but I also want it to look a little bit better. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying right now, so jump onto the outro. Anyways, now I'm done with this video. I hope you liked it. I am a little bit sick, so I'm apologize in advance, or not in advance, this is the end of the video, but I apologize in forehand. I apologize that I was a little bit low in this video, a little bit boring. I am sick, but I hope I'm going to be better soon so I can film better videos and be a little more energetic and happy for you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want to, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my other social medias. Those going to be linked down in the description. I don't know what that was, but until I make another video, you guys